How many times have you asked AI to draw you a human, a cute, adorable dog? The results you've gotten are neither human, nor cute, nor wild. You've probably seen it hundreds of times. That frustrating feeling is real. But here is the truth that will change your output forever. It is not the technology that is the problem. It is the process. You are treating a supercomputer like a search engine. What separates a blurry dragon from a DreamWorks quality result? Two simple instructions. Look at the difference the persona prompt makes in this example. This is the two-prompt method. This method is the key to unlocking professional quality, consistent, and intentional images. By the end of this blueprint, you won't guess your prompts. You will engineer them. Let's start with the most critical instruction, the persona. The persona prompt is the most valuable hack in AI. You are defining the who. You are not telling the AI what to draw. You are hiring a professional. For example, asking for a pink-haired girl gives us a random cartoon. But asking for a 35mm portrait shot by Annie Leibovitz of a pink-haired girl gives the AI the language of cameras, art history, and lighting it needs. A simple persona prompt instantly forces the AI to look up thousands of technical details. This isn't magic, it's just technical instruction. Here are a few reliable personas you can start with today. They bring an expertise that guarantees a high professional standard. If the persona is the who, the task is the what and how. We are not giving a command. We are giving suggestions, like a director giving notes to an artist. The what is the core subject, like a classic 1960s sports car. The how is the technical instruction. This is where you insert specific lighting and effects. A strong how instruction might say, focus a single spotlight from above for dramatic shadows, ensuring shallow depth of field. This guides your expert persona precisely. Now we combine them. Let's take the professional celebrity photographer persona and combine it with the task, dramatic focused lighting and a blurred background. This combination means the difference between a dull photo and a truly cinematic movie scene. This method works for any generative AI tool. For text, define the persona and the task. This is how AI automation becomes a powerful workflow. There's one final step, negative prompting. This is your professional quality control. It tells the AI what to avoid. For example, telling it, not blurry, not distorted, not messy background, builds a safeguard against unwanted issues, keeping the output at your quality standard. The biggest failure is using a supercar to drive to the grocery store. Now you know how to drive it for incredible, professional results. To put this persona and task method into practice seamlessly, you need a high-end tool that can handle this instruction complexity. I've linked the tool I use in the description below if you want to immediately upgrade your AI workflow automation. This is how you build your AI blueprint. If you want to keep building your skills with me, make sure you subscribe. And finally, I have a question for you. How many of you truly understand what AI is beyond the tools? Write in the comments if you would like the next video on the AI blueprint to be a deep dive into what is AI.